Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cool Programmer, and today I am back with another amazing hiring opportunity by Capgemini. So first of all, if you are new to our channel, please like, share and subscribe, and if you have not joined our Telegram group till now, please click on this link, or you can find the Telegram link in the description below. Now let us start this video. So Capgemini is basically hiring off campus students from 2021 batch. So Capgemini is a global leader in partnering with companies to transform and manage their business by harnessing the power of technology. The group is guided every day by its purpose of unleashing human energy through technology for an inclusive and sustainable future. It is a responsible and diverse organization of over 325,000 team members in more than 50 countries. So this was about the company, and in India, Capgemini comprises over 150,000 team members working across 13 locations including Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Coimbatore, Gandhinagar, Gurugram, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Noida, Pune, Salem and Tiruchipalli. So you can see that there are a lot of locations present across our country, so it would be great opportunity for you. So now let us talk about the eligibility criteria for this recruitment drive. So the candidates who are graduated in 2021, they are eligible for this recruitment drive. The academic qualification should be MCA, BE, Bachelor of Engineering, Btech, Bachelor of Technology, which is available for all branches for BE and Btech, and ME, Mtech, MSc students are only eligible if their stream is IT, information science or computer science, and the minimum percentage criteria is 50% and above in diploma, graduation and MCA, ME, Mtech and MSc. So your aggregate percentage should be 50% or above, and the candidate should not have any backlog at the time of appearing for the process, and you must be flexible to relocate any Capgemini location, work across technology domain role, and should be ready to work in shifts if required, and you should be open to sign service level agreement at the time of joining. This service level agreement means a bond which the company may ask you to sign at the time of joining. It can be from 1 year to 2 year depending upon the company. They have not mentioned anything here. So now let us discuss about their assessment process. There are basically 4 steps in the assessment process. The first step is multiple choice question based English communication test, and the second round is game based aptitude test, and the third round is behavior competency profiling, and the fourth round is interview process. And the only those candidates who have cleared the assessment 1 to 3 will be invited for the interview. So this was about the recruitment drive by Capgemini, and the last day to register for this drive is 7th March 2022, and the test assessment will begin from 8th March 2022. So you have to click on this register now button in order to register for this drive, and it will take you to this superset registration page, and now this page will open and it's loading. And now you can see that the application deadline has been changed to 10th March, and the CTC also mentioned over here. It's 3 lakh per annum, and the job function is engineering software, so your role would be in a software field. So I think it's a great opportunity, so you should apply as soon as possible. So they have updated their application deadline. Now it's 10th March 2022, so you should apply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are new to our channel, please like, share and subscribe, and if you have not joined our Telegram group, click on this Telegram icon and you can join the Telegram group. Thank you so much for supporting our channel. Please stay safe and stay home.